I'm Shannon with WTI, and today I'm going to talk to you about watch bands. More specifically, the best product you can buy to store your watch bands. So this is by the brand Rinvanic. It is a watch band organizer. It's nylon and waterproof, so there's a really nice feel to it. It's super thin, even with all my watch bands in there. I like it because even though it is thin and it feels so small, you can put so much in there. It says it can fit about 10, but I have managed to, in that little pocket, put a little bit more in there depending upon the size. And you can put anything in there really. Like I have that case, that extra case for my Apple Watch. I really like the size of this thing. It's about as big as my iPad mini, which isn't very big, but again, it's so spacious. It keeps everything so organized. It's perfect for traveling. As you can see, I'm putting it in my carry-on bag as I'm going on a trip very soon, and I plan on using this. And it keeps everything nice and organized. Again, I'm putting my Apple Watch charger into that little pocket there, just to keep everything Apple related, Apple Watch related together. Again, I just love this thing. It's so handy. So if you have a lot of wristbands like me and you need an easy thing to store them with, or something that makes it easy to travel with multiple wristbands, you will not go wrong if you purchase this product. And that's my point of view.